This is how I created a super soft, enhanced look with layers of rosy tints on Zehra. Starting off with the new Milk Makeup Hydro Gtip Glow Primer. You know I'm all about glow lately, and this is a 3-in-1 illuminator, primer, and skincare hybrid. So you can use less makeup and have more grip. I'm just massaging and rubbing this in. And then applying foundation all over in a very lightweight buffed in application. I still want the skin to glow through. I'm adding shape and dimension with the Milk Sculpt stick in Stoked to contour the face. And then concealer to brighten the center of the face. For the cheeks, I'm using the new Cooling Water Jelly Tint in Fizz, a soft peach. And I'm applying this with a fluffy synthetic brush for an even application. Tap and stipple this on top of the skin, hitting the high points of the face to add warmth. Then I'm using the shade Fresh, which is a soft pink, and I'm applying this directly on the lips. I love that these shades are softer and more buildable so you don't get an intense stain from the get-go. Sculpting the lips with Stoked and Muse just to contour the edges softly for a blurred look. And topping off the lips with the Odyssey Lip Oil Gloss in Wander, tapped on top of the lips. And that completes my soft, enhanced look with buildable layers of tints for an all-day wear and glow. Enjoy. Created the Skin Perfect look on Ala, an enhanced glam. Starting with the Dior Forever Skin Perfect Foundation Stick in the shade 5N. I'm applying this directly on the sides of the face. I love a good foundation stick, and this one is incredible and melts into the skin. Breathable, buildable, and hydrating, but also blurs, minimizes pores, and is heat and humidity resistant. And I love the convenience of a stick in my makeup kit. Next, I'll apply concealer to brighten and lift in the center of the face and blend that in. To add dimension, I'm using the Dior Forever Skin Contour in Tan in areas I want to sculpt and bronze at the same time, and blending that in with the same foundation brush for a seamless blend. I like to tap and stipple. For a touch of blush, I'm using the Dior Rouge Blush Color and Glow in 257 Dioriviera on the apples of the cheeks and cheekbones for a soft, healthy flush of color, and keeping the lips soft and glossy with an outline of brown lip liner, and Dior Addict Lip Maximizer in pink. And that completes my perfected look on the beautiful Ala. Enjoy.